Hey Jeepers, just wanted to do a quick how do they look video on the mag armor. So this is the SmittyBilt mag armor. Excuse me, the SmittyBilt mag armor. Very easy to install. Well, let me clarify that. It's easy to install. It's kind of a pain to get aligned. As you can see, they're just magnetic and they install easy, even with the SmittyBilt Atlas steps that I have. Easy to install. They clean up real nice, so you get any dirt on them, they clean up pretty easily. The only thing I don't like is you can see it gets these bubbles in them, and you can see how they are in the mag armor. So these aren't designed to be left on the vehicle. Obviously somebody can just rip them off pretty easily and steal them, but again, you know, they're not made to be left on the vehicle because you get this stuff behind them and dirt and all kinds of sand and grit. And so I don't know if you can see that, but you get these little pieces behind that, and that will cause those bubbles to form. So you kind of have to, you know, clean them constantly. Take them off, clean all the stuff behind it. You can kind of see there where these indents are, the pieces that got in there. So you got to kind of constantly have to clean them, take them off, clean them front and back, and then put them back on to get rid of the bubbles. And so that's the one thing I don't like, but I do like the look of them. I thought I wouldn't. I was going to go with the Fab 4 door skins, but they added so much weight to the vehicle. It just didn't make sense. So this was a quick, easy way to kind of get a different look on them. And everyone asked me, hey, did you get new doors? Did you change your Jeep? Did you get a new Jeep? So, like I said, from afar, they look nice. You get up close, and that is the one thing that kind of bugs me, is that those little holes you can, indents you can see. But like I said, all you got to do is remove them and clean them real quick, and they're good to go. So that's the mag armor, 4-door mag armor. Again, easy to install. They're just magnetic. Quick tip is, once you get them, you got to roll them out, let them hang in the sun until they get nice and flat, or else they're impossible to install. If they got any curve in them, they just won't install. So you want to get them nice and hot in the sun and get them laying flat. Don't leave them in the sun too long. Just enough to get them to where they're all flat and easy to install. And then you can see here where the sand has just gotten way back in there. So it's time for me to take these off and clean them. So as you can see, the hardest part is just getting them lined up, and you'll do it 50, 60 times if you want it to get like perfect. After a while, I'm just like, whatever. Close enough. So again, the SmittyBilt mag armor looks great. It's got a few little functional issues, maybe if they made it a little thicker, or I'm not quite sure how they get rid of that, but I think this is well worth the price. So check out other videos if you see something on the Jeep that you want to know about. Thanks. Bye.